In this video, I will be showing you how to fix login error on Microsoft Copilot. Let's get started. I start by opening my browser where the Google homepage is open. I move my cursor up to the address bar and click it. I clear out what's there and begin typing in the text, Copilot. After entering it, I press enter on my keyboard to search for it on Google. The search results show several options, including sponsored results. I click on this link to open the Microsoft Copilot interface. Once the website loads, I see the main interface panel on the screen. It takes a brief moment for the dashboard elements to fully materialize. Now, to investigate potential settings causing a login error, I navigate back up to the address bar on the top left. I click on the settings slider icon directly next to the website's URL. A drop-down menu appears offering options like connection is secure, cookies and site data, and site settings. I click on Site Settings to proceed. This action opens a new tab displaying the detailed settings page for the Copilot website under the Privacy and Security section of my browser. To fix potential login issues, I need to clear old site data. I move my mouse over to the Delete Data button located right next to the usage data statistics and click it. I proceed by clicking the blue Delete button inside this dialog box. Next, I exit the Settings tab by clicking the back arrow button next to the Settings header text to return to the active Copilot page. I am back on the main interface page. To ensure all configuration adjustments take proper effect, I click on the Settings slider icon next to the URL once again. From the drop-down menu, I select Cookies and Site Data. A smaller configuration card titled Cookies and Site Data shows up. From the choices presented, I click on the option labeled Manage on-device site data. This opens a detailed modal window showing on-device site data. To clear this cached data, I start by clicking the trash bin icon. This effectively removes all local data stores related to the Microsoft environment which could interfere with the authorization loop. Once all entries have been cleared from the list, I finalize the process by clicking the blue Done button at the bottom right of the modal window. Right after closing the modal, a blue notification banner appears at the top prompting me to reload the page to apply the updated settings. I click the Reload button on this banner. The page quickly refreshes, and I am brought to a clean Sign in to Copilot page showing options to sign in with Microsoft, Apple, or Google. After a brief automated transition, the dashboard updates to display, "Nice to see you, Diane." What's new? I click into the empty address bar and type in Copilot Connectivity Troubleshooter, then press enter to execute a Google search. Once the search results load, I look for the official documentation link. I click on the top result from Microsoft Support titled Copilot Troubleshooters. The Microsoft Support page loads, displaying various self-help resources for Copilot applications. I scroll down past the initial sections until I find the specific heading labeled Copilot Connectivity Troubleshooter. Right below the instructional steps, there is a prominent blue button labeled Start. I place my cursor over this Start button and click it. Immediately, a browser confirmation prompt titled Open Get Help pops up, asking for permission to open the native Windows application. I click on the blue Open Get Help button within the prompt window. The pop-up vanishes, and a new, standalone, Get Help application window opens up on my desktop, presenting a search field alongside various network and system diagnostic links to finish resolving any underlying connectivity faults. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.